Yeah, I've been doing a lot of thinking and reading about learning games, especially in the realm of learning experience design and how we could use game theory and game mechanics to make learning a little bit more fun and engaging and just something that's a bit experiential. And so to do that, I thought, let me get into game design and some of the things that game designers think and work with. So I got into this tool, this learning software or no game software called Godot or Godot, and just decided to immerse myself in the world and try and create something just to get like a broader sense of what's possible. And so I created a very simple game. I followed this awesome tutorial, which I can link to. Um, and I think what just amazed me is just how much goes into it. And I suppose I should have known from learning experience design that the effort that you put in developing makes it easier and less cumbersome for the learner, and in this case for the user. So all the work that I did in the back end simply makes it feel like it works and that it's low effort. So I've got a little man. He's in an environment. There's a background. There's elements to walk on. There's gravity and speed at play here, and I've made it so that he can go between worlds. There's two different little worlds, and there's a little portal that he can jump into. And it's just really cool. I mean, even within Godot, I'm able to animate the character to do that little run motion, jump motion. See if we can complete this and go back to it to start. Awesome. So that's the game. It's not really a game so much as just a working prototype of an animated character in space. But seeing that, let's look at what the back end looks like so that you can compare sort of the complexity that I've been seeing with the end product. So like I said, we've got this character player, and we can set up in Godot the different states that he can be in as he moves around. This is the way it animates these 5 different positions, and then these are my worlds with all the elements inside it. And then to go even a level deeper, we can actually look at the code that dictates speed, gravity, the jump height. All of these things are open, which is amazing. It means there's so much potential and there's so many options, but it also means it's completely overwhelming because you can do almost anything as long as you can code it right and you know how to attribute things to the right place. So I learned a lot about setting up tiles and tile states and doing things somewhat efficiently, not always, but sometimes. And there's a lot I can still learn. In my next iteration, I'd love it that he could run around and bash into things and break them. Imagine he's on the platform, and as he jumps, he hits this, and like in Super Mario, he can break the tile. But that's a level of coding and thinking that I'm not quite there at. And if you are a Godot user or you know what's going on, please give me a call, let me know. But I think that would be a cool next step. So what's the point? I think it's just cool to play, to fail, to learn, to see what's possible in learning experience design, and just to share the learning. And as learning experience designers, people in content, we can create experiences that are both fun and informative. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.